This is Embracing Digital This Week with Darren Pulsifer. This week's top stories. In cybersecurity news, a new threat has emerged. The Flax Typhoon cyber group, believed to be linked to China, is making waves. They are suspected of launching sophisticated attacks on global organizations. Experts closely monitor this situation as they could have significant implications for digital security. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story. Cybersecurity companies are sounding the alarm as ransomware attacks surged more than 153% compared to 1 year ago and over 16% last month. Experts warn that organizations must bolster their defenses and educate employees about these threats to safeguard against costly data breaches. The cybersecurity sector is grappling with a severe talent shortage, raising expectations for solutions. The demand for skilled professionals in this ever-changing field is soaring, yet the gap persists. To address this, companies are exploring strategies like upskilling current employees and promoting diversity in the industry. It might be time to go back to school and get a cybersecurity certified. In artificial intelligence news, artificial intelligence has given a paralyzed woman her voice back in an incredible development. Researchers at UCSF have employed AI technology to decode the woman's brain signals and translate them into speech. This groundbreaking achievement could help numerous individuals regain their ability to communicate. For more on this inspiring story, check out an in-depth article at ucfs.edu. High schoolers are getting ready for the rise of artificial intelligence. MIT researchers have launched a new initiative to help prepare students for AI-driven future. The program aims to equip young minds with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the world increasingly influenced by AI technology. Check out Darren's interview with Pete Schmitz on the Embracing Digital Transformation podcast episode, Training the Next Generation in AI, to get a close-up look at what is happening today. In a thought-provoking DZen in-depth analysis, the environmental cost of artificial intelligence is scrutinized. As AI applications expand, so does their energy consumption, potentially exacerbating climate concerns. This critical examination explores the sustainability challenges posed by AI and the urgent need for eco-friendly solutions in developing and deploying AI technology. Stay tuned for deeper insight into this pressing environmental issue. In ubiquitous computing news, as we move closer to quantum computing era, safeguarding critical infrastructure becomes even more crucial. C4ISNRnet delves into the challenges and strategies for protecting vital systems in this new technological landscape. The potential for quantum computing to break current encryption methods raises concerns, highlighting the need for innovative cybersecurity solutions. As reported by XDA developers, Dropbox is ending its unlimited cloud storage policy. This decision comes in response to instances of abuse by some users. As a result, Dropbox is implementing new storage limitations, which marks a substantial change for its user base. This development underscores cloud storage providers' ongoing challenges in balancing user demands with sustainable business model. The global pandemic in 2022 has revitalized a tech sector suffering stagnant growth, virtual desktop infrastructure. Microsoft and VMware are reshaping business VDI and cloud technology. SiliconANGLE discusses how these technology giants collaborate to redefine VDI and enhance cloud solutions. This partnership will offer businesses more flexibility, scalability, and performance in IT environments. In Embracing Digital Transformation podcast news, this week the Embracing Generative AI series continues, featuring interviews with high school teachers who've adopted ChatGPT and exploring new use cases for generative AI. Subscribe to Embracing Digital Transformation for in-depth discussions on current hot topics. That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation, and check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, Go out and do something wonderful.